Today we are talking about Agile and what it can do for you. Yo, what's going on everybody? This is Zach with IT Career Questions, and today, before we begin, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Skillsoft. I went through their entire Introduction to Agile course, and I found it extremely useful. One of my favorite things about Skillsoft right now is the fact that they completely redid their UI, and they're using the Percipio platform. It by far changed the entire way that you consume content over there to make it much, much easier. And not only that, their videos are in short, like 2 to 3 minute chunks. So you're not obligated to sit down for an entire hour or two just to go over, one section of a course. You can really pick up where you left off. If you are a busy guy like I am, I watch a lot of this stuff on the go. So I'm able to consume, maybe like 3-4 videos at a time. And that's only like 20-30 minutes of my time. So I can go back later and, pick up where I left off very, very easily. And whether you are a beginner to Agile or any other type of IT course that you're looking into, Skillsoft offers everything from that beginner stage all the way to expert, so you can really hone in all of your skills. So to give you an idea of what Agile is, it's a methodology that's used in a business environment to create a product or application or your process to be as fast, effective, and really efficient as possible. So you have an entire team of individuals who bring different, areas to the table, who meet, as frequently as possible to go over, different iterations of your product release, different things that need to be introduced. Because as you're going through an application process, you might meet one time and then everybody kind of goes their own separate ways and does each part of the project and compiles it together. And then you release a product or application that just wasn't up to par. It didn't meet the standards of what people were looking for or what your stakeholders were looking for. So the Agile process breaks this up. You guys are meeting frequently so that you can go over what different processes you guys have done, what changes need to be made. A stakeholder might come to you and say, well, I need it to work this specific way. Or maybe they want to introduce something completely different to the project. So now you guys have to meet, go over, the different steps that need to be taken to accomplish what they are looking for. So as you're going through this entire process in different chunks, along the way, because everybody is meeting and collaborating together, what needs to be done, what's not working correctly, maybe what needs to be gone over again. And that creates a more quality product. So when you release it, it's exactly kind of what you envisioned. It's what you were kind of hoping for when you release that product and everybody likes it. It's all about creating quality. So that's kind of my quick rundown of Agile. And if you guys are looking to learn more about Agile or really hone in your skills at that expert level, go check out Skillsoft, check out their Agile courses, because Agile is used in a lot of business environments to accomplish their product releases and applications and different processes. So check out their courses, hit the link in the description. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, hit me up in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. As always, take it easy.